Today I'm going to be doing a slime video. So this is how the slime should turn out. So let's get into the video. The first thing you want to do is always get Elmer's glue. Don't get no type of glue. You can get any type of glue unless it is Elmer's. So the first thing you want to do is just pour the glue out. So it's going to take me a while. So I will be right back when some of the glue come out. I got that back. The glue came out, so just gonna put a little bit more, and that will take me even longer. So I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back, and I put some more glue in there. So put this back. And then the second thing is you want to go get some baking soda. So y'all can come with me. Then I'm gonna do another video. We're gonna do 24 hour challenge, and I think I know where I'm gonna be. Might be like in this cabinet. It's stained some stuff. There's some pillows here. We'll do that. So, and so I'm gonna get the baking soda. This is a big thing of baking soda, but I really don't have that much contact solution, guys. So I don't know how I'm gonna make this slime, but hopefully this will work. So you just want to get some baking soda. You don't want to get too much. Just get a little pinch of it. So this is how much you want to get, and you get a pinch of it. Put that in there, and put some more. Then put that up. You want to stir that up. It'll be thick when you stir that up. So then you want to add some contact solution to it. So you add that contact solution, then you're just gonna mix that up, and then there you go. You have it. Your slime. So this is my slime, and this is some good slime actually. So yeah. Bye guys. I'm finna go do my 24-hour challenge. So I'll be right with you. And I gotta edit this video, but I'll be right back. So hey guys, I'm back. So I mixed the two slimes up together, and this is how they turn out. They're not that stretchy. So yeah. And that's about all. And so I got these shoe boxes, and yeah. Anyway.